So guys, tong MTX 180, ito na ang pinakamatulen na scooter na nirelease ni FKM. Pero for today, wala tayong gagawin na top speed. Ang gagawin natin, susubukan nating gamitin si MTX para dalhin dito sa pickleball court. Alright guys, ito na. Marahil ang pinakamatulen na scooter ni FKM. Right now guys, we are riding the FKM MTX 180. And this is the latest and the final motorcycle to be released by FKM for this 2025. So ngayon, we're gonna do a very quick city ride with this Maxi Scoot. And some things that I can say about it right now is it has a silent starting system. Meron siyang auto off in case traffic. Tahimik yet powerful yung kanyang makina. Very smooth yung throttle response. Ang brakes niya, very responsive as well. Konting pihit mo lang sa preno, nagre-respond ka agad. Yung engine brake nitong MTX is very similar to what we find in the market. Pero ang gusto ko sa kanya, hindi abrupt yung paghinto ng kanyang makina. So the engine of the MTX 180 is a 180cc liquid-cooled 4-valve engine that produces around 17.6 brake horsepower with 15.4 Newton meters of torque. Yung power nito guys, nasa 6,500 RPM. Yun, basta pagka umabot ka ng 6,500 RPM, mafe-feel mo na yung power nitong engine ni MTX 180. Guys, itong MTX 180, it has a curb weight of only 135 kilos. So, medyo magaan siya. Okay, as in magaan siya. Okay, imagine mo, it has a 180cc, pero yung curb weight niya, only 135 kilos. Yan. Very convenient yung auto start-stop function ni MTX 180. Okay siya for traffic. And halos hindi mo siya ramdam dahil silent starting system na siya. Siyempre, naka dual disc brakes and dual channel ABS na rin si MTX. Suspension niya is telescopic forks for the front at adjustable preload for the rear. Pero right now, masasabi ko sa weight niya, kahit na meron akong passenger, may back rider, magaan siyang dalhin. Maganda yung stability ng kanyang handlebars. At yung kanyang acceleration is very smooth. Yung power nito lumalabas at 6,500 RPM. So imagine mo, kahit na nasa mga 30 to 50 kph ka lang, basta ipalo mo ng 6,500 RPM yung throttle, lumalabas yung power ng torque nitong si MTX. And I think that yung torque ni MTX, which is around 15.6, ilagay ko na lang sa screen yung tama. Yan yung nagsiset apart sa kanya. Okay, compared sa ibang mga Maxi Scoot. Tingnan natin kung, ayun, namatay na yung engine ni MTX dahil it's a red light. So, pagka nag-green light yan, all I have to do is to release the brakes and to apply some throttle and automatically mag-on na kagad siya. So, next time, i-reveal natin yung fuel economy nitong si MTX. So, like what I said kanina, yung torque ni MTX, yan yung nagsiset apart sa kanya. Okay, so medyo mas mataas yung torque na binibigay nitong MTX 180 at around 15.6 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. So meaning laro-laruin mo lang siya at 6,500 kahit as early as 6,000 RPM. Lumalabas yung tulak or yung suntok ng engine netong 180. So this results in a pleasing riding experience. And I mean, for the price point, getting this amount of power is value for money. So overall guys, yung package ni MTX 180 is it's a full-size maxi scooter. Komportable ito para sa angkas or backrider. Malakas yung engine niya. It's the most powerful engine that FKM has released to date. This 180. And ang ganda ng forma nitong si MTX 180. Kung pagdating lang sa formahan, I can bring this scooter to any location here in Metro Manila. Whether maglalaro lang ako ng pickleball or kung pupunta ako sa isang formal event, hindi ako mapapahiya pagka ito yung dala ko na maxi scooter. So yan yung package para sa akin nito MTX 180. Yeah. Morning, thank you. So guys, itong MTX 180 on the spec sheet, ito ang pinakamatulin na scooter na nirelease ni FKM. Pero for today, hindi natin susubukan to for top speed. Susubukan natin si MTX 180 pagdating sa pormahan. Kaya ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin ay subukan lang natin siya papunta dito sa pickleball court. Tara, subukan natin. Ito pala yung under seat ni MTX. It's pretty spacious. Pwede mo siyang gamitin to start the bike. Okay. The MTX 180 comes in two color variants. So right here we have the matte gold and then we also have the flat white. Pasado sa test itong MTX 180 pagdating sa pormahan. I can confidently bring this scooter anywhere in Metro Manila with confidence. Thank you so much FKM for this fantastic looking maxi scoot na 180cc. Ang SRP nga pala ni MTX 180 is 138,000 pesos. This is available in cash, credit card at installment. It's available at 15% down payment with our financing partner, Cebuana Cycle Finance. So sa mga naglalaro ng pickleball dyan, baka naghahanap ka ng scooter na pwede mong dalhin sa mga courts, why not consider this fantastic looking and elegant, not to mention very fast maxi scoot, the MTX 180. Isa pa.